Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, folks. Why QNT is the bridge of finance. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. So, folks, let's dive into what's happening with QNT in real time. This is Gilbert Verdian with a latest post. Look at this. Hashtag TC307 ISO standards. Plenary week in Brussels this week to further progress blockchain standards across the various working groups. Look at this, folks. The ISO standards over here making lives easier, safer, and better, bringing people together to develop international standards. And that is the standard that QUANT network apparently thrives on or maneuvers on. Look at this. Thank you to Senelec Standards for EU, the Belgium Standards Committee, NBN.be, and Standards SAUS, Standards Australia, for Standards AUS, basically, for hosting experts from all over the world. Look at this, folks. If we read behind the lines, we can see that Europe as well as Australia, they are interested in blockchain. They are now getting interested in DLT. They are getting interested in digital assets. And coming from Gilbert Verdian over here, we can see that there might be some real connections with Quant as well. Standards Australia is an independent, not-for-profit organization, and the peak non-government standards body in Australia. Retweets don't equal endorsement. Okay, look at this, the ISO standard that Quant is compatible with. This is why we say that the future is over ledger. There's an interesting video over here from C Traders. We're going to be looking at this video in a moment to understand why QNT is something special, why it can be the bridge of finance. Look at this. This is Crypto Target, a QNT 1 week chart, some technicals. Price bounced perfectly on the weekly key level support. If bulls reclaim $90 plus, a major shift in structure could unfold. And then if that happens, folks, because the price has really bottomed out in a lot of projects, but I'll add one thing, that whenever we think that this is the dip in crypto, another dip happens. So I won't be saying anything at the moment because the market has been really choppy. It has been really volatile, and it has become tiresome, folks. A lot of people have given back their gains to the market. Anyways, if that happens, $90 plus, then crypto target says that the next big level or next big target will be $130 to $150. If we go on and claim this, I really believe that if first and foremost the price might even go down, we never know because everything is volatile. But if this key support level remains intact and the price goes up over here, I have a good feeling that then we will be going through these resistance levels with ease as well. This is just my take on it. But getting here is the difficult part, to be honest. From what I'm understanding, what's happening and transpiring in the market, I think that things are a bit gloomy, but let's hope that Quant can solve stuff up. Look at this. This is knowledge up only. This collaboration with Oracle continues. First, the tech firm certified the Overledger Gateway as an interoperability solution for its Oracle blockchain platform in 2021. So you can see that the connection goes back to 2021. This is not recent. It goes way back in the past. Now Oracle's customers are also benefiting. Chainlink may be helping JP Morgan with tokenization of funds, but it is Oracle's ecosystem that the leading global bank is leaning on for streamlining payments across treasury, trade, and commerce. Most of the community members of Chainlink and QNT, not all of them, but some of them bash each other quite some time. But anyways, this is a comparison a bit that if that Chainlink may be helping JP Morgan with tokenization, but the connection with Oracle, Quant has that. It is that leading global bank is leaning on for JP Morgan is basically streamlining payments across treasury, trade, and commerce by utilizing Oracle's ecosystem. And you know that Quant is well placed in the Oracle ecosystem, and with its secure bridges and expertise in APIs, Quant is in a better position than many to work within the financial institutions in 2025 and beyond. Folks, obviously, the APIs and the expertise in APIs certainly elevates Quant to the levels that we haven't explored before, because now we're seeing the use case in various sectors that first the sectors that at first didn't rely on blockchain, they are now coming and exploring blockchain, be it tokenization, be it banks, be it central banks, be it these financial firms. They are all now trying to utilize the best from the blockchain world, folks. And Quant Network is a sort of that bridge. It has got expertise in APIs, and JP Morgan indirectly is indirectly might make use of Quant Network, and directly as well somewhere down the line as well. This is Mind Crypto QNT. It's certainly been a while. Here's a flurry of TXs, 4 TX to these three wallets, of which two are new. A total of 23,146 QNT. Talking about QNT, folks, people all know that it is scarce, and a lot of people are saying that Quant Network, in relevance to Quant Network, the biggest supply shock in crypto history is loading, and almost nobody's paying attention. QNT is the sleeping giant. A lot of people are claiming that this is going to be one of the biggest supply shocks in crypto history ever, folks. Why is that? Look at this. This is X Finance Bull. Only 12 million QNT in circulation, no inflation, no dilution, no VC unlocks. This isn't your typical crypto. It is enterprise grade. It's enterprise grade infrastructure with the scarcity of digital gold and the use case of digital plumbing. Uh, X Finance Bull is right when he says that the tokenomics, at least at the moment, if you look at it, 12 million QNT in circulation, only 14 million total supply. As you know, that it has the potential to be huge, folks, because now when people realize how big it can be and the demand increases, I'm not even talking about the retail demand. If institutional demand eventually increases, that will happen when the use cases hit, folks. When Quant and Overledger will begin to provide services, you can imagine the value that Quant will go to. 153K plus holders, zero token emissions, true fixed supply, 14.88 million, to be precise, 14.88 million coins, tokens. When real world adoption hits, there won't be enough QNT to go around, because, folks, when institutions get interested in it, if enterprises get interested in it, then it's game over, obviously, folks, because they do not buy like we do. If they use it as a service, it's the value can is unimaginable where these assets can go, to be very honest. And let's hope that we are early, because we do not know if use cases eventually will succeed or not. But it is worth a shot, because a lot of coins are only merely pump and dumps, and there are only a few handful of projects that truly can legitimize this industry and bring credibility to it, folks. Look at this. This is Sebastian. This is an extremely bullish setup. Some technicals over here. Look at this. A triangle getting narrower. Stock RSI, the relative strength index, is floored while price barely drops. Bull pennant clearly visible. Prepare for more upside fast. Look at this. I think at the moment it is $62, I think. So yeah, it is getting narrower, and if we retest this line over here, the trend line, and if the price bounces well with energy, then I think that the $70 range can be achieved soon. Let's hope that it happens. Folks, let me now share with you the post over here, the video from C traders, that why Overledger is the future. Let's check this out.
Quant Network's Project Rosalind is a groundbreaking initiative aimed at facilitating the launch of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, in the United Kingdom. As governments globally explore digital currencies, Project Rosalind provides a blueprint for securely implementing CBDCs using blockchain technology. The project's primary goal is to create a digital pound that is programmable, secure, and compatible with both legacy systems and emerging digital ecosystems. Utilizing Quant's Overledger technology, the digital currency can operate across multiple blockchain networks, offering unparalleled interoperability. This initiative could transform monetary policy, enhance financial inclusion, and streamline national currency management. Quant Network is revolutionizing cross-border payment systems, addressing the challenges of costly, slow, and intermediary-laden traditional methods. By leveraging its Overledger technology, Quant enables seamless, fast transactions across multiple payment networks and jurisdictions. The Overledger platform creates a universal interoperability layer connecting different blockchain networks, eliminating the need for traditional intermediaries like SWIFT. This approach not only reduces transaction fees, but also significantly decreases the time required for international transactions. With reduced costs, real-time payment capabilities, and enhanced transparency and security, Quant's cross-border payment systems are essential for businesses operating globally, streamlining international commerce and finance. Quant Network is at the forefront of programmable money, a concept that reimagines the role of money in the digital age. As financial landscapes evolve, the ability to create digital currencies that automatically execute transactions or enforce specific conditions is increasingly vital. With Overledger and Quant's financial solutions, businesses can automate financial processes, embedding custom logic into digital currencies. This includes automating fund distribution or creating smart contracts that execute based on predefined conditions. Programmable money offers automation of financial processes, smart contracts, and tailored business solutions, introducing unprecedented flexibility in managing and deploying digital assets. Quant Network is transforming asset management through tokenization, converting real-world assets like property and securities into digital tokens on a blockchain. This process allows for fractional ownership, increased liquidity, and global trading opportunities. Quant's Overledger platform is central to this process, enabling seamless integration of digital tokens across multiple blockchain networks. Tokenization opens new investment opportunities and access to a broader pool of investors, especially for traditionally illiquid assets. With increased liquidity, fractional ownership, and global accessibility, Quant is enabling businesses to unlock new revenue streams and broaden investment opportunities in unprecedented ways. Quant Network is leading the charge in enhancing supply chain transparency using blockchain technology. By leveraging blockchain's immutable ledger, Quant helps businesses track every step of their supply chain, ensuring goods are sourced, manufactured, and transported securely and transparently. Features like proof of provenance and digital twinning verify the authenticity of goods and ensure quality standards. This increases trust between consumers and suppliers while streamlining the supply chain process by reducing inefficiencies and fraud risks. Quant's work is crucial for industries like food, pharmaceuticals, and luxury goods, where provenance and authenticity are paramount. Quant Network is addressing the growing focus on environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, initiatives by helping businesses tokenize carbon credits. This creates a transparent and efficient way to track and trade emissions reductions. By using blockchain to create verifiable, tradable carbon credits, Quant aids companies in meeting sustainability goals and facilitates carbon market growth. Tokenized carbon credits ensure tracking and verification, transparency, and accountability, while blockchain technology provides an immutable, secure record of carbon transactions. Quant's ESG initiatives highlight blockchain's power to tackle global challenges, merging environmental goals with advanced financial technology. At its core, Quant Network is building future-proof solutions, ensuring businesses and financial institutions can transition to next-gen financial infrastructure seamlessly. By focusing on adaptability and interoperability, Quant positions itself as a key player in the digital transformation of the financial world.
So folks, what do you guys think about Quant Network? Do you indeed believe that it is the bridge of finance. I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.